Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the iPad is unlocked and updated, because settings behave predictably when current. Once ready, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. You want to see the crescent moon or focus icon. Tap that icon to reveal Do Not Disturb options. This is the fastest route to toggle notifications. Make sure you watch the icon change state. Doing it here avoids digging through menus and immediately tells you whether notifications will return. If the Quick Control Center toggle didn't solve it, go to Settings and tap Focus, then choose Do Not Disturb so you can control the why and when. Toggle Do Not Disturb off. This stops the system-level block. While here, check Allowed Notifications to ensure calls and apps you want still come through, and inspect people and apps lists to permit exceptions. Also look for schedules or automations and turn those off if they keep re-enabling the mode. This prevents surprises. Finally, confirm Do Not Disturb is off by checking the status icon and sending a quick test message or notification. Make sure alerts arrive. If the crescent moon remains or notifications still block, restart the iPad to clear temporary glitches. Also make sure focus syncing isn't turning it back on from another device. Sign out of or adjust focus sync in settings if needed. If problems persist, update iOS or reset focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.